Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Have you ever wondered what separates millionaires from everyone else? It's not just luck or high salaries, it's the habits they build and stick to consistently. The good news? These habits are achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. You don't need a trust fund or a winning lottery ticket. You just need the right roadmap and the discipline to follow it. In today's video, we'll share 10 powerful habits that can help you build wealth and put you on the path to becoming a millionaire. These are the strategies I used, and that I see time and time again in the stories of successful people. Stick around until the end for a bonus habit that ties everything together and ensures lasting success. Let's dive in. Millionaires understand the value of time. Every hour of the day is an opportunity to build towards your goals, or to waste time on distractions. That's why they start their day with clear goals and priorities. This doesn't mean you need a rigid hour-by-hour schedule. But having a plan, whether it's a to-do list, a morning routine, or a clearly defined objective for your day, helps you stay focused. Think of it like this. If you were building a house, you wouldn't just start laying bricks without a blueprint, right? The same goes for your finances. Success begins with intentionality. Know what you want to accomplish and break it down into manageable steps. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I'm not a morning person, and that's okay. The key is to find what works best for you and your schedule. Maybe you plan your day the night before, or maybe you use a task management app to keep track of everything. Experiment, and find a system that you can stick to. The beauty of planning is that it reduces decision fatigue. When you have a clear roadmap for your day, you free up mental energy to focus on the important tasks, rather than getting bogged down in small, insignificant decisions. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Starting your day with intention will keep you on track for the long run. Let's talk about one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth: lifestyle inflation. This is the tendency to increase your spending as your income grows. You get a raise, you buy a nicer car, you get a promotion, you upgrade your apartment. It's a trap that catches a lot of people, and it's a surefire way to stay stuck in the rat race. Millionaires, on the other hand, understand that living below your means is a cornerstone of wealth building. This doesn't mean living like a pauper. It simply means being mindful of your spending and prioritizing saving and investing over unnecessary expenses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, you're all about that Tesla and avocado toast life. And you're right, I enjoy the finer things in life. But I didn't start there. I drove a used Honda Civic for years while I was building my businesses and investing my money. The key is to delay gratification and focus on building a solid financial foundation first. Find fulfillment in experiences, relationships, and personal growth rather than material possessions. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep and grow. Remember, wealth grows in the gap between your income and your expenses. The bigger that gap, the faster you can build wealth. Let's talk about habit number 3, paying yourself first. Put money aside for your future self, for investments, for financial freedom. Every time you get paid, set aside a portion like it's a non-negotiable expense. Consistency is key. It's like building a muscle. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. That's the power of compound interest, and it's one of the biggest secrets to building wealth. The easiest way to pay yourself first is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to savings and investment accounts. Use a budgeting app to track spending and automate savings. Commit to it, automate it, and watch your wealth grow. Alright, moving on to habit number 4, reading and learning continuously. Now you might be thinking, Graham, what does reading have to do with becoming a millionaire? Everything, my friends. Everything. You see, the most successful people in the world, whether they're entrepreneurs, investors, or CEOs, are all lifelong learners. They understand that knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, that translates to profit. Think about it. The more you know about investing, the better equipped you are to make smart decisions with your money. The more you understand about different industries and markets, the more opportunities you'll identify. And it's not just about finance. Reading expands your horizons, improves your critical thinking skills, and keeps you informed about the world around you. It's like a superpower that can help you in all aspects of your life. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a scholar and spend all your time in a library, but I am saying that you should make it a habit to read books, articles, and blogs related to your interests, your industry, and of course, personal finance. Listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and follow thought leaders in your field. Surround yourself with information, and make it a part of your daily routine. You'd be surprised how much you can learn just by dedicating 30 minutes a day to reading. And remember, learning is a continuous process. The market is constantly changing, new trends are emerging, and there's always something new to discover. So, stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. Because in the words of the great investor Warren Buffett, the more you learn, the more you earn. Habit number 5 is all about building multiple streams of income. Now, most millionaires don't rely on just one source of income. They understand the importance of diversification and having multiple streams of cash flowing in. Think of it like this. If you have all your eggs in one basket and that basket falls, well, you're out of luck. But if you have your eggs spread across multiple baskets, even if one or two fall, you're still protected. The same principle applies to your income. If you rely solely on your job and something happens, you lose your job, your hours get cut, or the company goes under, you're in a vulnerable position. But if you have multiple streams of income, even if one takes a hit, you have others to fall back on. It provides financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to pursue your goals without constantly worrying about money. There are countless ways to create multiple streams of income. Start a side hustle, invest in real estate, create and sell online courses, or generate passive income through dividends or affiliate marketing. Identify your skills and resources and leverage them to generate additional income. It might take time and effort up front, but the rewards can be significant. Even an extra $500 per month can make a huge difference. It can help you pay off debt faster and reach your financial goals sooner. Explore your options, get creative, and start building multiple streams of income today. Secure your financial future and achieve lasting wealth. Alright, let's talk about setting goals. This isn't just some motivational mumbo-jumbo, it's about having a clear roadmap to your financial destination. Imagine trying to drive across the country without a GPS, no map, nothing. You'd be driving aimlessly, right? That's what it's like trying to build wealth without goals. You need that clear direction, that understanding of where you're going and how you're going to get there. Millionaires, they get this. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Smart goals. They don't just say, I want to be rich. They say, I want to have a net worth of $5 million by age 40. See the difference? That clarity, that specificity, it's crucial. It allows you to break down that big, daunting goal into smaller, manageable steps. And each step you take, it builds momentum, it fuels your motivation, and it gets you closer to your ultimate financial target. So, how do you set these powerful financial goals? Start by figuring out what truly matters to you. Is it early retirement, buying your dream home, leaving a legacy for your family? Once you identify your why, you can start setting those smart goals around it. Don't be afraid to dream big, but also be realistic. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is $1 million portfolio. Break down those larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones. Maybe it's saving a certain amount each month, investing in a rental property, or starting a side hustle. Each milestone you hit, it's a victory, a step closer to that big picture. And don't forget to track your progress. Regularly review your goals, adjust them if needed, and celebrate your wins along the way. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and stay focused on the long game. Now let's talk about investing, because this is where your money truly starts working for you. And the name of the game here is compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it picks up snow, it grows exponentially larger. That's compound interest. It's the interest you earn on your initial investment plus the interest earned on your accumulated interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and the bigger that snowball grows. Let's say you invest $10,000 today at a 7% annual return. In 30 years, you'd have over $76,000. That's the power of compounding. Now imagine starting even earlier, with even more time for your money to grow. The key takeaway here is simple. Don't wait to invest. The sooner you start, even with small amounts, the more you benefit from this incredible wealth-building tool. Now I know what you might be thinking, but Graham, the market goes up and down. What about the risks? And you're right, there are risks. The market can be volatile in the short term. But here's the thing. Millionaires, they understand that investing is a long game. They don't panic sell when the market dips. In fact, they often see these dips as opportunities to buy more at a discount. Remember, consistency is key. Set up automatic investments into a diversified portfolio, and don't try to time the market. Even if you can't invest a lot right now, every little bit counts. The important thing is to start, stay consistent, and let compound interest work its magic over time. Remember, you're not just investing in stocks or bonds, you're investing in your future financial freedom. Let's talk about the people you surround yourself with, because this is a crucial, yet often overlooked aspect of building wealth. Look, you've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And it's true. Your network has a profound impact on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately, your success. If you're constantly hanging around people who are negative, who are content with mediocrity, who don't share your financial ambitions, guess what? Their energy, their beliefs, they're going to rub off on you, and not in a good way. Millionaires, they understand this. They actively seek out and surround themselves with like-minded individuals, people who are driven, ambitious, and committed to growth, both personally and financially. They attend industry events, join mastermind groups, and build relationships with mentors who can offer guidance and support. Because they know that surrounding themselves with success breeds more success. So, how do you build this network of high achievers? Start by identifying your passions and interests. Are you interested in real estate, tech startups, sustainable investing? Find online forums, attend local meetups, join industry associations related to your fields of interest. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be genuine, be helpful, and focus on building authentic relationships. Offer value to others, share your knowledge and experiences, and be open to learning from those around you. The right network can provide you with invaluable insights, opportunities, and support as you navigate your own financial journey. So, choose your circle wisely and watch how your mindset and your results start to shift. Be the CFO of your life. Track everything. Income, expenses, investments. Millionaires track their money like hawks. What gets measured gets managed. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet. Knowledge is power. Ignorance isn't bliss. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to lose weight without tracking your calories, right? You wouldn't just blindly hit the gym without a plan or a way to measure your progress. It's the same thing with your finances. Tracking your progress allows you to see what's working and what's not. It helps you identify patterns, like maybe you're spending way too much on takeout coffee each month. We've all been there. Or maybe you're not putting enough away for retirement. Once you have this information, you can start making adjustments. You can cut back in certain areas, increase your savings rate, or adjust your investment strategy. It's all about optimization, people. And the best part is, seeing that progress, even if it's small at first, is incredibly motivating. It keeps you going, it keeps you focused on your goals, so don't underestimate the power of tracking and measuring your progress. It's a game changer, trust me. Now, let's talk about gratitude and generosity. What does this have to do with becoming a millionaire? A lot more than you might think. Millionaires understand money is more than a means to an end. It's a tool for positive impact, and it starts with gratitude. Gratitude shifts your perspective. Focus on abundance, not scarcity. That's incredibly powerful. Abundance attracts more abundance. Be grateful for what you have, and be open to receiving more. The universe will deliver. And then there's generosity. Millionaires, they understand that the more you give, the more you receive. Now, I'm not just talking about money here, I'm talking about your time, your energy, your skills. When you're generous with what you have, it creates a ripple effect. It comes back to you in ways you never could have imagined. And here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a huge grand gesture. It could be something as simple as buying a coffee for the person behind you in line or donating to your... It helps. Remember, generosity is not about depleting your resources. It's about creating a flow of abundance. It's about recognizing that there's enough to go around and choosing to share what you have with others. And when you do that, you'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your life, both financially and personally. And there you have it, folks, the 10 habits that will put you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Remember, building wealth and becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about adopting the right habits and sticking to them consistently. It's about taking control of your finances, investing in yourself, and building a life of abundance. By following these 10 habits, you'll take control of your finances and set yourself up for long-term success. You'll be well on your way to financial freedom, and trust me, that feeling of security and freedom is priceless. Which habit will you start with today? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from your finance lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.